What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today Self-Healthcare presenting a new video about healthy diet. We take many types of foods every day, but we should take healthy foods. In this video I will share some foods which help you to take healthy diet, so keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Healthcare. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start out today's topic, healthy diet foods. Try to take the foods what I am sharing now. Brassica vegetables. Think broccoli, cabbage, Brussels, kale, cauliflower, watercress and bok choy. Brassicas contain a combination of unique plant chemicals called glucosinolates that support liver processes. Garlic and onions. These little guys contain sulfur compounds that help the enzyme system in our liver do their job properly. Enzymes play a supportive role and help our liver work at a speed that's best for our body. Turmeric. This spice has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer and liver protective properties. In regards to our liver function, turmeric increases bile production, which is made in our liver and stored in our gallbladder. Bile helps us metabolize fats, detoxify properly and have healthy bowel movement. Grapefruit. Constituents in grapefruit stimulate enzymes in the liver. These enzymes are also the target for some prescription drugs. So if you take medication, speak to your doctor before increasing grapefruit in your diet. Otherwise, this fruit is gentle and supportive liver food. Beetroot. A rich source of antioxidants, beetroot has traditionally been used to protect and nourish liver cells. Naturopathic tip: use beetroot leaves as salad green. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.